Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So just a brief video here looking at the lower time frame because it was a little bit of a non-event day. It was quite slow, crypto just moving sideways, basically same price as we had when I made the previous video. So we just take a quick look at the micro counting here, and yesterday I made that video in which I showed you the higher level scenarios as well. But just in brief here, as long as we're holding here the 1525 level, I'm focusing on higher into the $2,000 region, or let's say 1900 plus. That's the larger support. Micro level support is at 1582. We ideally don't break below 1582. That would already increase probabilities that we are morphing into the alternative scenario, which would indicate that the overall high of the November lows, the high of that move that started back in November, was already reached here on the 16th of Feb. But as long as we're holding overall 1525, we can go with that idea that this was only the wave one. Yeah, this peak on the 16th of Feb was only the wave one of a larger 5-wave move, which can escalate higher into the 1900 plus area. Now, looking at this structure on the micro level then, we can still see a 5-wave move up. Yeah, this 5-wave move is absolutely valid. It's possibly impulsive. Yeah, I would count that as an impulse. And we've come down yesterday in a move that I didn't really find very, how do you say? It wouldn't really support the idea that we already turned around here, because if you see 5 up, okay, that's the first aspect of, okay, trend has possibly changed. But then if you see an impulsive sell-off like that, that already indicates, okay, we need to doubt this already. But then again, we saw here corrective move to the upside, and I highlighted when we were up here on Twitter and also on Telegram and Discord earlier that we probably completed here a B wave high, so that this wave 2, so wave 1 to the upside, first little 5-wave move off the weekend lows, that we came down in an A wave, rallied probably here in a 3-wave move. In a B wave, we ran into resistance. This is the ideal target for a B wave. You can see it rallied against the 61.8 retracement, 1645, and I highlighted or put on Twitter and Telegram that we probably completed here B wave high if we want to really look into the details, and we need to prepare for a C wave down, possibly to 1582. Why is that? It's because the move down was quite impulsive, so it could have been A wave of a wave 2. The move up was a clear 3-wave structure, very corrective, in a B wave, and we could now be coming down in a C wave. Now we've hit local support here, and also what's worth mentioning is that this looks a little bit like a trend channel or corrective price channel. So a further drop below this, out of this channel to the downside, will probably unlock downside potential all the way down to 1582. I mean, maybe lower in the end, yeah, depending on which pattern is playing out here. But at the moment, I'm giving it the benefit of the doubt that the trend has shifted to the upside. As I said before, it's not super high confidence until we finally have a clear structure in place to bottom in a wave 2. Yeah, until then, this can still break down, of course. But at the moment, we give it the benefit of the doubt. So let's see if we can really push higher. But with that latest movement here, I think it has become quite likely to subdivide a little bit lower in this C wave here, but ideally it's holding the 1582 level. Yeah, so key is really to maintain here the upside potential in the very short term, that the move down remains a 3-wave move, so A, B, C, and B, and then here a C wave down in probably 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ideally sort of here, yeah. If it becomes 4, 5, a 5-wave move down, that's a clear warning that, that the trend might subdivide further lower and we head into the alternative scenario. But at the moment, we are still in the primary. Primary worked out so far. We reversed out of both trend reversal areas, and now we just need to see if this is continuing to push to the upside. But as I said, in the very short term, we could come down a little lower. It's just that here below 1582, this micro setup here will get challenged, because as I always say, below the 78.6 retracement, such a 1-2 setup is getting challenged. But yeah, a bit of a boring day, just moved sideways really. Yeah, and not much more to add really. I mean, this has become something like possibly an inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, yeah, right shoulder, but it's a bit unclear. So we really need to break out to indicate and confirm really a breakout to the upside in this third wave. We need to break above, first of all, 1655. That's the B wave resistance. And then I would say above 1670. Sort of here the range around 1670 would be very important. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.